You guys
Damn,
might be
bro.
wondering what these are. These little things called thrusters will lead us to victory. Trust me, guys. Okay, we got this in the bag.
Alright, I'll be
Okay.
on the big cannon. I'll be on the big cannon.
Like, you
Alright.
look goofy right now.
You look like a pea shooter.
Guys, look at me. Guys.
Let's go.
I didn't mean to get up. I didn't mean to get up.
No.
I didn't mean that.
I don't
I'm
think
so
I don't
sorry.
think I don't know where the center mass is. Yeah, I don't know where the center mass is, but I don't think it's working. Turn on the
Someone
wait.
activated it.
It was
No,
an accident. I'm so sorry, Lo.
Wait. Here's it is. Activate the top one. Activate the top one.
This one?
Oh, when we go straight again. No.
Let's just make like a giant house. Yeah, let's make a house. Fuck it.
Okay, wait, I got it.
Oh, hi, Chan.
Chat, we're making a build a boat video.
Chan,
You want to
Chan,
join?
no.
Chan, get in. Hurry
Okay,
up.
that
Bro,
Gordon
ate
can
some of that uranium. Bro, ate that uranium supplement
Why
he
is it so
found.
All right,
bright
sit
here?
down.
Holy
Let's
shit.
go, guys. Let's go.
Okay.
Sit down, boy.
Oh, let's go.
The house is gonna slowly crumble apart.
Oh.
That cannon
I mean,
destroy the
The house isn't breaking.
House defense. Jason, right? House defense. Why don't we have a cannon loaded with great grape shots above, upstairs?
really great.
Well, I'm bald. I'm bald.
Wait, look. Where are you, bro?
Bro, what the fuck? Look at chat.
I thought I was turning yellow.
Oh.
You're a fucking... Bro, you're a bowling ball. You're a bowling ball.
Inside the house. I didn't know we were living in McDonald's. Shut you're bald.
Oh my god! Ew!
Ball.
My jacket is gone.
Oh god.
Okay, but we still alive though.
I'm stuck.
I
Oh
made
my
these
god, why
balls
is it
and I'm
always
alive.
stuck?
Are you stuck, man?
Hello?
Stop being stuck.
Yeah,
Bro.
Gosh.
There we go.
God.
I think we're gonna make it.
Oh, this is not a safe place, bro.
You think?
I'm bald!
Oh shit!
Oh no! No! What the fuck? Oh shit!
Oh, I'm dying.
No!
I'm dead.
Oh.
Alright.
Oh, no,
Let's make a golden boat.
a golden
You
boat.
can buy it.
Okay, wait. I have
What
a
the-
gold block. I have
Even
four
a-
gold blocks.
Oh, I don't even have
Fucking
gold.
your. Wait, what did
Make
we
like a really long boat.
Wow.
Senor. Let's go now.
Hold on.
Any prank?
Holy shit, my Minecraft loaded fast.
Alright, let's go.
Oh,
Oh, let's go. Alright, we can steer.
okay.
We just need to try and avoid those.
Alright.
See an apple up
Wait, we
there.
forgot to put cannons. Shit.
Oh yeah.
Jason, I found naturally spawned emeralds.
Oh shit.
Ah, I love my jet. Ah,
Oh! Oh! No! No! La boat.
This ain't no boat, bro.
There's ain't no boat.
I guess it's not.
Boat.
Why does Chanyao sound like the type of guy who sounds like he doesn't sound like how he seems like, you know.
Genetically.
Yeah, effectively
What?
he's
Who
Indonesian,
shot
but
the cannon?
because he was if only nothing bad happens to King Charles at exactly 2nd May, I'm just saying.
What?
Oh,
Are you
May
saying
2nd.
My
What's
brother
that?
was about to like.
It's just how I made the game. What?
Tell
What is this guy talking about?
Bro think he the creator.
How I supposed to get How I supposed to get Got a boomstick.
Boomstick. I love
Boomstick.
Evil Dead, you know.
Oh, let me.
So I used the boomstick and I blew myself up. I'm about to blow.
Oh no!
Blow.
Why are
I'm
we
about to blow.
jumping?
Just like, what are the different ways to use the boom?
Oh, no.
I need to sleep, bruh.
A coughing baby.
No. Flip us upright. Flip us upright. No.
No. No. Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
No. No. I fell out. I fell out.
I'm so sorry.
Oh.
Okay,
Really?
just us, Chan. Yeah, not us. Me.
Ow.
Bro, what?
I don't
Really
think it's
missed
getting
you.
us.
They call me Mr. Lovalo.
Some bombastic. Okay. Tornado. I think we're gonna make it. I think we're gonna make it.
We're near the end, kinda.
Wait, boomstick are one try things, really? I never realized that.
It's my boomstick.
Yep.
You guys, have you guys watched Evil Dead? Oh, never mind.
Oh no, this is not easier.
Wait, hold on.
I spoke too soon.
Oh.
Oh, but we're
Where
doing
you at,
good.
Nate?
We are not actually. I lost my. Ah!
Oh.
I was about to say something like we're not
Ball.
God yet. I just lost
Ball.
my hair.
Oh.
No! We're bald!
Oh no. Help! Let me in.
Open your
Let's go.
door. Ah!
Open on your.
Okay, we're told.
Oh,
no,
barely
never
living.
mind.
Ow. Oh no, we're in this. Fox.
Alright, whatever. I gotta go now.
Okay, but
Bye
like,
bye.
You
you can do it.
Ah!
No! I'm the only one alive. I'm gonna get the gold for you guys.
The very last part.
Oh, fuck! I don't think I'm gonna make it. I'm not going to make it.
And after it.
Oh! I made it! You want that? Oh, actually, never mind. But I made it! The fucking
Made it?
No!